Today we're gathering EV owners and the EV curious. The owners are keen to impart advice. The curious want to learn more about the reality of owning an EV. Now, what is one of your biggest worries about buying an EV?
I think the battery is the biggest concern for most of us who don't own an EV.
I never let my charge drop below 20%.
I'm more of a risk taker. I do sometimes go towards 0%, but I know that it's better to stay between like 30 and 90.
It's better for battery life not to go to zero too often.
Always try to start with 80% of charge. It's good for peace of mind and it takes you hundreds of kilometers. Enough for any journey before a break.
And I really enjoy driving past gas stations and looking at the prices.
On hot days, I always try to park in the shade. It keeps the battery cooler and that helps to maintain performance and longevity.